If you believe the theme has been changed unintentionally, and wish to restore the default appearance for improved readability, you can reset it for all chats or individual conversations. To begin, open WhatsApp on your phone. Then tap the three vertical dots located in the top right corner. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. From the list of available options, tap on Chats. Under the Display section, select the Default Chat Theme option. Then, tap the three dots in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, tap Reset Theme. Tap Reset once more to finalize your decision. Now, return to your chat list, and open any conversation to view the changes. You will then see that the default theme has been restored. So that's how you can reset and restore the default chat theme on WhatsApp.